Hey everyone, this is FaZe and welcome to my channel. If you've been subscribed to my channel, then you know I talk about all things Apple and Tesla. And in my household, we have two Teslas, the Model X and Model Y. And we've been driving the Model Y for over a year now, and it's a car that I absolutely love. You can check out my full review on the Model Y performance by clicking the link above or in the description below. Today, we're gonna be going over all the modifications and accessories that I have added to the Model Y. So the first thing I want to talk about, which is the most radical thing, is the wrap. This is a satin black vinyl wrap. Now this car was originally white, and to be honest, I see so many white Teslas on the road. I felt like making this car look a little more edgier. So I partnered up with Mac Customs, and they did a really nice job wrapping my Model Y Performance. As you can see, you cannot tell that this car was white at all. It looks really, really nice, really sleek. And my friends and family always say that it kind of looks like a Batmobile. So I'm really glad that I got it wrapped in satin black. Now, obviously, because I wanted it to be edgier, I also blacked out the Tesla logos. I got the logos right here. I actually got it from Amazon. So basically it's like this adhesive thing that you just stick on top of the actual logo. It's super easy to do. You do it within seconds. And I have dropped the link in the description below to where you can buy this on Amazon. It's not just on the front, it's also in the rear as well. So I didn't just black out the logos on the front and the rear of the car, but also the steering as well. Let me show you. Okay, so as you can see, the Tesla logo is blacked out. It's matte black, looks really, really sick. Now, if you also notice, if you look at my gear stalks, they are red. And they look really, really sick as well. I think it adds a pop of color in this very monochromatic car. You can get them in any color you want. I think it adds a nice personalized experience when you're driving. You can once again buy these from Amazon as well. I'll have the link in the description below. Now, one of the things that I always wish Teslas had was ambient lighting. Now, the new Model 3 that I reviewed, finally, it has ambient lights in that, and also the Cybertruck that's coming that also has ambient lights. But on the Model S, the Model X, and the Model Y, there are no ambient lights. So what I did is I partnered up with Handshow. They came out with these amazing, cool, laser engraved ambient lights. I did a full video going over the tutorial and how it looks. And let me just tell you, it looks amazing. You can choose any color you want the lights to be. It looks really cool, really nice, and I couldn't recommend that enough. It makes the Model Y a much more of a luxurious driving experience. So I highly recommend checking those lights out. And of course, you can click the link above or in the description below to check out my full tutorial on how I got those lights installed. So ASM Performance here in Georgia did the full installation. They are absolutely incredible with the work that they do. And if you call them or DM them on Instagram and say that you referred by FaZe, they'll hook you up with a discount. They do a fantastic job. And if you want ambient lights installed, I couldn't recommend them enough. So check them out. One of the first things that I did when I actually got the Tesla Model Y, and it's actually the same thing I did with my Model X, is that I tinted the windows. Because if you've driven inside a Tesla, it's like a freaking fishbowl inside. The glass is super transparent and it tracks so much heat inside the cabin, and I don't like that for privacy reasons. And of course, I don't want to be blinded when I'm driving, especially with the white seats. And for the rear windows, they're already tinted. But like I said, the front passenger and driver in the windshield, I got that all tinted. Looks much better. It's much more cozier in the cabin, and it doesn't get as hot. And I got it done with AP3. They did a fantastic job with their window tint, so I couldn't recommend them enough. I've attached their details in the description below. So the next accessory that I have on my Tesla Model Y is the insulated light shielding mat, which is on the dash. It's a premium fabric. It gives it a more luxurious feel to the car. And because underneath it, it's obviously plastic. And you know, Tesla is notorious for using a lot of plastic in the car. So by doing this, you get a premium look and feel. It also protects the car from the sun and heat. So it's a great accessory. I got it from Handshow. And once again, if you use my coupon code, you'll get a discount. I have all the details in the description below. All right, guys, so the next accessory I want to talk about are the premium weather mats that are on my Tesla Model Y. Let me show them to you right now. I got these mats from Tesla Mats USA. These custom molded floor mats offer great coverage and protection, shielding from dirt, mud, and spills. It has a great grip, so it doesn't feel like your feet slip from it, and it also looks nice while covering the fabric. So the next accessory that I really want to talk about is the rim case by this company called MacBack. And I couldn't recommend this enough because we've all seen Teslas with those curb rashes and scratches, and they look really, really bad. Now with this, it completely protects your tires from those curb scratches. So let me show you how. All right, so as you can see, I have a set of 4 for all the 4 wheels. Inside the box, you get alcohol wipes, protective adhesives, and obviously the valves. The first step is to clean your wheels with the alcohol wipes. Then apply the adhesive film on the edges. No need to worry about it being perfect as it will be covered up. And then you start interlocking the pieces of the rim case and they snap right in. All right, everyone, this basically wraps up my video on all the accessories and modifications that I've done to my 2023 Tesla Model Y Performance. If you enjoyed watching this video, give this video a like, and also let me know in the comment section below what accessories and modifications that you think I should be making on my Model Y Performance. Also, stay tuned to my next video, which will be about me picking up the all-new Cybertruck. I'll be doing the full delivery experience for that, plus a review. So stay tuned for that video. And of course, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you next time.